Ulefone X has been made official by the company. This is Ulefone's reply to Apple's iPhone X. It comes with the notched screen, iPhone X-like dual camera, and supports wireless charging. The Ulefone X is the mode that most resembles the iPhone X. Practically has the same notch and the same frames, except for the bottom, that the Ulefone has not been able to eliminate the lower frame. Maybe that's why it's also called X. The terminal will have the characteristic notch, to which the system will have to adapt. As for other remarkable details, we see that Ulefone has provided a fourth button to the navigation menu to hide it, and thus enjoy an even more immersive experience. Focusing on the screen now, without the notch, you get a 5.85-inch HD IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen that displays stunning visuals. The screen has 1512 x 720 pixels in resolution and 286 pixel per inch density, delivering clear videos. It has GFF full lamination and stretches up to 78% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the MediaTek Helio P23 chip is in charge, with an octa-core processor and 64-bit CPU architecture. The 8 cores of processor here runs at a fast speed of 2.0 GHz, with 16 nm process technology, while the ARM Mali G71MP2 graphics processor on board clocks at 770 MHz, with 2 cores, launcher favorite heavy apps, and multi-task through them all with 4 GB RAM space available. It has a memory speed of 933 MHz as well, and 64 GB storage space. If you need more space, then you have to let go of a SIM space and upgrade up to 128 GB. Ulefone X runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. At the rear, the cameras are 16 megapixel 5 megapixel sensors with f2.2 aperture. The cameras comes with voice, optical zoom, HDR, ISO settings, 5P lens, dual-tone LED flash, and other internal features, while the 13 megapixel selfie camera with f2.4 aperture comes with its LED flash and supports Face ID with fast and wireless charging technology. With the fast charging feature, charging the battery from 0% to 100% should take up to 1.9 hours. And the only certainties we have at the moment are the rear-mounted fingerprint scanner and the Android 8.1 Oreo operating system at the factory.